Hi, good evening. This is Nandini. I manage business development at DotPay. DotPay is a digital technology O2O commerce platform. We help to increase omni-channel sales, providing seamless B2B digital ordering solutions which are fully integrated with the payment gateway, and we join you with your customers directly through WhatsApp. It's a technology platform providing novel digital transformation and commerce solutions to brick and mortar outlets. We feel that by offering direct communication and digital ordering solution to the country's restaurants, we can assist you to restore customer trust and ensure streamlined business operations following the social distancing and safety norms as per today's times. Benefits for restaurants and hotels. Ordering reimagined. So, what we are talking about here is use QR code more than just providing for payments. Hybrid store. Own your customer journey offline as well as online. Maximum engagement. More accessibility to reach out to your customer. Modular payments. We are providing all the payment channels in a one go. When the person is basically reading the menu, after scanning the QR code, they have all the options to pay from. WhatsApp engagement. We are creating business verified accounts for the businesses, for the brands, hotels, and restaurants. So your customer, when they are getting any message from you on WhatsApp, they know that it's a account of the particular restaurant, particular brand. So they have more trust in the message they have gotten on WhatsApp. Sales and analytics. So basically, we are giving you a merchant dashboard at the back of it. In the front end, the menu is a digitized format. The diner is reading it and he's ordering from it. At the back of it, for managers and for the brand owners or marketing heads of the company, of the brand, we are giving you a merchant panel. At the merchant panel, you basically have all the access to your data. You have all the access to your reports. You can just download them in an Excel format and you can start working on it. Use cases. So, what kind of use cases you can make out of it? At DotPay, we thought a lot about different use cases, how a customer merchant like you can make most of it. What we came up with, we are giving you a delivery and pickup platform where you can create your own menu and give them a pickup and delivery platform. We also have partnered with few delivery fleet partners in the country. Another use case is in store, which is basically your dine in and takeaway. In dine in, what happens is a person who is coming to a dine in restaurant is basically coming for an ambience. He wants to enjoy the experience and atmosphere at the place. He likes to be given a big warm welcome at the gate. And when they are shown to the table, they basically come to the table and they have to, what next? I mean, after a small chat, they want to order, right? While ordering from the menu, they are given the all the privileges, a server will come and they can suggest them some recommended items. In our menu, we are giving them top items to be recommended as a section, as a separate section. You can tell your customer, your diner, what are your recommended dishes. We'll keep them on a top shelf, like top dishes will be shown. After that, they can see all the menu, the complete menu category wise. So for example, there's starters, there's main course, there's drinks, anything, desserts. So they can see it category wise. They just have to click on the category and the items will show up. They can start ordering from that. At the end of the meal, or per se, we should say, at the end of every course, they don't have to make a payment right away. It's not a prepaid model for a fine dine restaurant. So what we are doing is we have created a complete different phenomena over here. They don't have to pay after each and every course. They can pay at the end of the meal. And third use case is of DotPay's link, of DotPay's menu digitization. The third use case is food courts in malls and cloud kitchens. So in a cloud kitchen, there's basically more than one. If there's more than one restaurant, it can be one restaurant as well in a cloud kitchen. If it's more than one restaurant, and in a food court where there are more than 8 to 10 restaurants in one under one roof, a person who is going to a mall, sitting in a food court, they want to eat food at the food court, they will sit and they can see, just by scanning one QR code, they can see all the options of the food court, all the counters, all the restaurants which are available over there. They want to eat Indian, they can order Indian. They want to order Chinese is there. They want to order Italian, Lebanese, anything, everything is available in just a scan away. So they can just start ordering. They can order in one go. They can order from all the restaurants. They will be given the receipt of each and every restaurant, but they have to make the payment only once. So basically it's as simple as that. They can save their time, maybe, having a good chat with their family or maybe with their friends, and they don't have to wait in the queue in the food court, trying to place an order or trying to wait for a table to get empty for them to sit. After that, the cloud kitchen setup, which I said, so we are working with a lot of cloud kitchens and we are very happy and open to work with all of them. So in cloud kitchen setup also, we are giving a flow where you can basically, if you have 2 3 brands only under one roof, one kitchen setup, you have 2 3 brands, you can list all of them together. We will give the option to your diner to just clicking on one link or maybe scanning one QR code, but they can see the options of all the 3 restaurants in the cloud kitchen. One is biryani restaurant, one is maybe a Japanese restaurant, a Japanese kitchen setup, one is a Chinese kitchen setup. The person can see all the 3 options, and if the merchant, which is the cloud kitchen person, cloud kitchen owner, they want to deliver all 3 items in one go, we are more than happy to serve the all 3 items to the diner. So we have the setup to create the cloud kitchen setup, and we have provisions for creating we are already working with a lot of malls, and the food court setup is something which can be done very easily. So after that, I would like to show you a small presentation. So this was a small demo for you. It exactly shows you how the order can be placed. So by placing the QR code at the restaurant, or maybe just promoting the link online, or maybe just promoting the high feature. I'll quickly show you one more thing. What exactly the high feature is, how WhatsApp ordering works. So in store is, I think, pretty much the same thing which I was speaking just before showing you this presentation. This is the high use case. Why we call it a high use case, high feature? Because the number which we have converted for a business verified account for your particular brand. So the brand name will be there, which will be in the display picture will be of your brand, and the person who's getting the message, they will know that the message is coming from your account. Apart from that, how you can promote your delivery and pickup is, just promote the number. Tell people to say hi on WhatsApp on this number. Just say hi, save the number or say hi on WhatsApp. The moment they're saying hi to you on WhatsApp, we are configuring a automatic message which will go to them. Hi, welcome to our restaurant. We are now delivering your delicious food at your doorstep. Start ordering, and the link will be there. The link will be the same link which we are creating for your delivery and pickup. It's a common link which will be there. So they can click on it and they can start ordering. The customer journey will start just after clicking on the link. Second is, you can make very good use of it by just putting it on Facebook, on your Instagram, or maybe on Google searches, or maybe using your own merchant website. So on the website also, you can just put your link or maybe promote your number to for people to know that they can start ordering by saying a message hi on this number, or maybe by just clicking on the menu link. We are taking up GPS pickups and user location, customer browses stores nearest to them and places order. So what exactly happening is, we are taking the current location of the customer and showing them the nearest outlet of your brand. You can also set up the delivery radius here. This is how the messages are going to the customer. Customer receives delivery confirmation and feedback link on WhatsApp. Food code. Food code also is something which I just spoke about. This is, we are showing that how to set up a WhatsApp business account. We'll take you through it. We'll guide you whenever we work together. We'll guide you to how to create the WhatsApp account. So we do some kind of a verification of your Facebook account from backend, and that's how we take it up. And just the number, we just need a number from your side. That's it, which is not on WhatsApp. We are already integrated with few billing POS systems and delivery partners. Few of them are named here. Like in POS, we are working with LS Retail, POSist, Paid Puja, iDine, Urban Piper. In delivery partners, we are actively working with Shadowfax, Dunzo, Delivery Page, and Media Agility. If you want to know more about anything, you have any queries, you can drop us a message, or you can just directly send us an email at contact@dotpay.in. We'll be very happy to answer all the queries, and we look forward to hear from you soon. Thank you.